Yeah, let's run through this. I'm gonna do a little minute clip. It's starting to rain. Raindrops. Walk between the raindrops. Yeah, Mustang, Benz, Dodge, Kia, old school Ford, Honda, Benz, Ford, Nissan, Ford, Chevrolet, Kia, Nissan. It's a mixture. I think it's a mixture. Ram, Nissan, Chevrolet Camaro, mine, Chevrolet, Honda. Okay, it's a mixture. But the Range Rovers, they got 3 of them bitches. That shit is crazy, man. Them boys back to back to back to back. Them boys they put all the Range Rovers in one spot. Damn. So, okay. Another Benz, Chevrolet, Ford, Kia, Chevrolet, Range Rover, Ford. Yeah, I'm saying, how many Benzes though? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 Benzes. I think it's 5. 5 Benzes. 5 Benzes. German engineering. Germans. Volkswagen. Thunderweather. The Germans. International trade. Donald Trump regulating on them boys too. Thunderweather. Okay. That was just a little small update. Y'all like the shorts better. Give me 5,000 views.